You should also be familiar with triangular numbers. What are those triangular numbers? Triangular numbers are numbers kapag drawing siya or drawing yung geometrical shape na triangle, no? It goes on and on. Na mukha siyang triangle. What are those numbers? That's 1. That's 3. Next after 3 is 6. Bakit siya triangular numbers? You can start a small dot 1. And then you add 2. So yan, mukha siyang triangle. Next, then you add 3. So the total number of dots is 6. Then after which you add 4. Okay. So the next triangular number is 1, 3, 6, then that's 10. The next triangular number, syempre, dagdag lang tayo ng 5. So that will be 15. Then magdadagdag tayo ng 6, then that will be 21. And so on and so forth. So those are triangular numbers. Why triangular numbers? Ayan. Mukha siyang triangle. So ano pa ba mga kailangan nating matandaan? Actually, madami pa. You have to be to ace the test, no? You have to be familiar with the patterns and numbers, basic patterns on numbers. Okay, what are those pa? Cube numbers. What are those cube numbers? Ito yung mga 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. So ano yung mga cube na yan? You start with 1. And then 2 cube, what is 2 cube? That is 8. Okay, that's 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, 3 cube is 3 times 3 times 3. That's 27. No? Next is 4 cube. 4 cube is 4 times 4 times 4. That is 64. Okay, and then 5 times 5 times 5. That is 125. So you must know them, no? At least man lang mga first 10 or first 20 that would do. That would do. Okay. So those are cube numbers. So actually this is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. Okay. That's great. Yeah. So after have these cube numbers, we also need to know those power of a number. So number, a base, a certain number. Let's start with 2. Okay. Hindi to power of love. Okay. Okay. So ito mga ano to. So power of a number, you have to deal with this also. Kasi madalas, no, makikita nyo din that, let's say, 2 to the first power, 2 to the second power, 2 to the third power, 2 to the fourth power, 2 to the fifth, and 6th, 7th. Okay, so lahat ng yon, no? Magiging familiar kayo dito, okay, power of a number, kasi lalo na yung mga ano, sino dito yung naabutan ang laro sa Android before? Yung 2048. 2048 is a game based on the powers of 2. Okay? Di ba pagka pinagsama-sama mo, 1 plus 1 nagiging 2, tapos yung 2 plus 2 nagiging 4. Diba? So that's 2, then 4. 4 plus 4, then 8. Then 8 plus 8, that is 16. 16 plus 16, that is 32. 32 plus 32, that will be 64. Then 128. Then 256. Diba? And then we have 512. Okay? And then after 512, we have this 1024. And then 2048. Okay. So that's based on the powers of 2. So 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, to the third, to the fourth, to the fifth. Okay. So 128 is 2 to the 7th actually. 256 is 2 to the 8th. Okay. 512 is 2 to the 9th. And 1024 is 2 to the 10th. Okay. So yun. Also, it's madali din tandaan yung powers of 3. Okay? Powers of 3, 3 squared is 9, 3 cubed is 27, times 3 is 81, times, what do you call this one? Times 3 ulit, that is 243, di ba? So, and so on and so forth. Okay. Yan. So, powers of a number. You can do other numbers as well. Okay. With constant practice, okay, you will master and you will ace the test. Okay? Makakapasa kayo ng test na hindi nyo nalalaman. Kasi, ay, gamay na gamay ko na yung mga numbers ito. Okay. So, ano pa mga kailangan natin tandaan? Okay, Fibonacci numbers. Kaya have you heard this one? Fibonacci numbers. Fibonacci numbers are, or Fibonacci sequence is a sequence in such a way it started with 1, okay? With 1, tapos 1 ulit, then the next number, para malaman natin yung next number, you add the last 2 terms. So 1 plus 1, the third term will be 2. The next number, yung last 2 numbers or last 2 terms ng sequence. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Then next is 3 plus 5, that will be 8. 5 plus 8, that will be 13. Okay, 8 plus 13, that is 21. 21 plus 13, that will be 30, 34. Okay. 34 plus 21, that will be 55. So that's the first 10 numbers of the Fibonacci sequence. Or those are the first 10 numbers of the Fibonacci numbers. So yun. Ano pa itong mga Fibonacci-like sequence? Ito yung mga pinag-a-add yung dalawang terms. So 1 plus 1. Okay, you can start with 2. Tapos you can start with 6. Okay, ito yung mga Fibonacci-like numbers. Pagka pinag-add sila, so 2 plus 6, that will be 8. Okay, 6 plus 8, that will be 14. 14 plus 8, that will be 22. 22 plus 4, that is 36, and so on and so forth. So lahat na yan. So those are Fibonacci-like. Kasi yung pattern ng original Fibonacci ay ginamit or ginaya. Okay? So lahat ng iyon. So you must remember those. Okay. Eh, sir, ang dami naman. Eh, gan talaga. Oo. De, laro lang. Gawin nyo, laruin nyo lang. Oo. Pagka wala kayong magawa sa bahay, ano lang, you explore. You explore numbers. Because numbers is life. Without numbers, boring ang buhay, actually. O sige, wala kang pera. Pera is a number, right? Gumagamit ng number. Ayaw niyo yun. So dapat, mahalin niyo ang number. Yeah.